Hello, Polly. Good to see you again today. We are in the garden today. And by the way, welcome to Sheila Garden. I am Sheila. And before I talk to you guys, first I want to explain the reason I am doing this video. I always have been a gardener. And not long ago, I had a stroke, and I did not talk for almost 4 years. I, I could not write or read, and I could not walk. I was bleeding in my brain, and nothing worked for me. In a way, everything was a chaos for me. Now I learned to talk again, so I want you to understand my situation. I just want to share my joy of gardening with everybody here. If I if I can even help one person, that make me feel better. I show the people around the world that went through the same situation than me, but you cannot complain too much. Get do the best you can, and that's exactly what I trying to do here. So uh, bear with me in my my talking, my communication. I will try to talk slow for you to understand. Okay? With that, that go what we are going to do today. Okay, so welcome again. Today we are going to do something very special. I've been growing food in my garden. This is the first time I'm going to cook in my garden for you guys. So today I am going to have potato have been growing, and it's time to take them out. I'm going to have them wash them and cook in the garden, and also I'm going to make chicken in the garden too for you guys to see. So now let's go ahead and see and go and see the potato I'm going to have it. So come with me, guys. Come with me. First, let me put my apron on to keep myself clean. Sometimes I don't. I get used when I'm cooking. I put it on, but so saying all just up today for you guys. Let me try to keep myself clean for you guys. Okay, okay. So here, these are the potatoes I've been growing over here. See, you know it's time for you to harvest your potato, but when you see the leaves dying back, and that exactly what it's doing. So I'm going to take everything out and harvest the potato. Let me move this first. I put here to hold. Okay. Now, let me get my shovel. So I have my shovel here, and put it here in case I need it. Okay. You go, what you do, just I always try to bring it out and see. Look at the potato here. And by the way, these are purple potato I grew. So I put them here. get more, get dig them up. The big baby one too. More everything here. I'm gonna go here and dig. Let's see. We have on the bottom. You can see the potato coming out. I think it's at the bottom. Yeah, they are. You can see I left the box here to show you guys what kind of potato I grew. They are purple. I just left the box. He said, you know, people used to eating other potato, white or yellow, the Yukon potato, and a lot of potato. But I want to try the purple one. I have had them before. They're very good. So I want to show you guys that purple potato is also good. So I'm going to let me just dig more and get them out. See, it's a lot of potato here. Not bad. There's one here. Look for more. Nice. That's a big one. There's nothing there. Growing your own potato and eating them. It's so different. The taste even it tastes better too. Growing your own food, it's a good thing. Do you see the worm here? It's a good soil, right? See the worm that I got over to you. Look, see? Working with soil in your garden is always good. You see? So I see more here. It's a big baby one. That's a big one here. I see some at the bottom. Okay, and more. And so it's look more warm. Look at that. See that? See that? You see? So much warm in here. It's a fussy one, though. Real more like a snake, but not. It's a worm. Having worm in your garden is good for your vegetable, your fruits. Everything that you grow is always good. See how a lot of worm because I had to work with my soil. I bent my soil, soil. You see some big potato here. I think I saw two, right? One here. Okay. So I'll go get more. Okay. I see one here. Okay. Let me see. I saw the more here. I'm going to get more for dinner for tomorrow. For now, let me go ahead and move the potato. I put the bed down to take all your potato out. I'm gonna cook fuel for you guys. Let me go and cook these. Okay? Let's go ahead and wash them. Let's go ahead. Put some water in here and wash them. Then they are in the garden. I can go ahead and put the water here. I move water here. But it's nice and clean. It is the purple potato. Okay. So now put them in the pot. They go ahead and put it in the pot. Our pot here, the water here, boiling. And put the potato in there to cook. Okay, while that cooking, I think I'll have two more water here. Let me take some out. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, now, while they cooking, I'm also going to, while that cooking, they go ahead and cut some flour for the table, okay? The first thing we will do, I get some water in the vase here. Okay. Okay. That comes for me, guys. Let's have some here. Maybe this one or this one. Let me take this one. Cut that and take the leaves off. Okay. Let's go cut the other one here. Look at this nice high ginger. Look at this. Very, very nice. I'll go ahead and cut that. Look at that. See, working for soil in your garden make everything grows. Nice. There go get more. And look at this This, look at it has ginger. Blue, pink, yellow, all on one uh, plant. Blue. Everybody love to have blue hydrangea and purple. And then take the blue and here. Let me take both of these here. This will have both for them. Blue and how about pink? Pink. Let's get a pink one. I see one in the back. Let me get to that. Got it. Okay. Nice. Look at that. Huh. I just love nature. The thing it does. And no, gardening is very good for your senses too. And there go ahead. Look at the other kind ginger. Look at the color of that. White. You cut this one too. Maybe get one more here. One more here. It's so nice. I love the white. Just get one more here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. There's nothing to be in the garden. Take it out because when they're here, they get on your clothes, you have to take the color from your clothes. I used to take that part off. Okay? See? Maybe I can take one more. One more white. Which one? That speaks to me. That is my flower speak to me. Haha. That's a joke, right? Okay. Yes. All I have to do take the leaf off. And down, I see more here. These are daisies. Daisies. I love daisies. Then put this here, this on my hand, and cut the daisies. Have you heard the song, Don't Eat the Daisies? Don't eat the daisy, don't eat the daisy, no, no. Okay, let me cut this here. Nice colors to here. I can hear the potato boiling on the stove. Can move this here. Okay, not bad. Okay, now put it that in here. And I think I saw something else. The baby, right? I forgot to flip. Look at the potato boiling. Can you see that? Okay. Now, let's go ahead and take your baby. So nice and airy. Put that in. Let me get one more. Let me take this one here. See? Make it nice I think I need to rearrange them. All I'm going to do is take the leaves off and put it in the vase. You don't want the leaf in the water. Leaf in the water make the water smell, and the leaf will rock in the vase. So always take the leaves off. Okay. Okay. Nice. So let's go ahead and put it in the vase now. Oh, I see one. Oh, God, listen. You know carrot, right? This is carrot. If you let your carrot sit in long in the ground, see what happened to them. Let me dig this up. You see? It's a carrot. This will make a nice arrangement. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this. Maybe I can put it back in the ground and put the soil back in and cut the flower for arrangement. See? My scissors came apart. Sorry guys. Okay, got it. Okay. So then put the saw back around. I'm going to take the part off and use it in my arrangement. See? Even carrot give you something to look at. And these here, I think these are, I forgot what I grew here. It's a food. Is it mustard green? I think. I'm not sure. But I love this flower. So I'm going to take one here and put it in my arrangement. And this one too. See? Not bad. I can love half my scissors. Okay, here. I think one more here. It looks there. Oh, I know what this is. It's a white radish. Say the word for me. White radish.
Radish?
Yeah, white.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the color. It's a white radish. Okay, now let's go ahead and put this in the pot. Okay. I took the leaf off. You can rearrange them. I think I did that in my hand. So I ain't happy the way they are. I put it in my vase now with water in there. You fill and put that in. Okay. Okay. I think they look good. I like it. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in on the table. Let me put it here. While we are cooking, you can see it. Okay. Last thing we're going to do now is cut some greens and wash them. Okay, my knife. These are greens. This beets. These are beets. You can tell. Go down. Look. Go down in here. they pull them out. Beets. It's a baby one, but these are beets. So what I'm going to do, I will go to cut. Let me take the beets out here. Let me cut. The one with the beet, I'm going to leave it on for me to cook up. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to use this and put it in my soil to make a nice put it in my soil for the garden. So now I am going to cut. This is beet I just show you, right? So let me put it here. I just need the grains. I put my hand here and cut the grains. I just want the grain part. Beets are so good for you. I make it a lot. They give you a lot of energy. It's good for so many things. And so you eating things that are not good for you, try to eat green things in your garden. If you could grow them, even better. No chemical in here, so it's a good thing. Okay, I'm going to take all the leaves off, and I'm going to coat them. It don't take long to go to cook at all. And one thing I forgot to get garlic. They'll go ahead and dig the garlic out up, because we're going to use them too. So this I don't need. I took all the leaves out that I needed. I can put it in my compost. That's the word I was trying to say before. Remember, you guys, I know I had a stroke. Sometimes the word don't come to me quickly. So it takes me time. The word will be in my head, but sometimes getting it out is very not that easy for me. So if you see me struggling with word, that means I trying to get it out. It's a beet. I can put that too. Then I can put this in my compost. Then go back. Sorry, I forgot to get the garlic. These are garlic. See? I can pull it up. You can see. Let me see if I. Yes. See? Garlic. Garlic. I think it's about to rain, guys. Let me want my hand quick. And then do the okay, let's go ahead and wash the grains quick. See? Look up here. I have more water here. Remember, no chemical in here. So it's all good here. And put it in here. Now, and also, let's go ahead and I'm going to get my chicken from here and come here. Okay, I'm so glad that rain is over. So they continue with the cooking. So the potato is all done now. I'm gonna drain the potato and the water is hot. So let me drain it. Let me get my lid and drain more. It's a good thing the handle don't get hot. Okay, see? Now, let's go ahead and let it cool for a while. While that are cooking, cooling, I'm going to go ahead and let me see. And I have some baking here. Everybody love baking. This pot is optional. You don't have to have baking. And put it in my trash can. So I have my baking here. The pan is hot. Then go ahead and cut it. My baking here. I'm gonna cut it with my scissors. They're for food. But yeah, sister, make sure your scissors is just for food. Don't use the one you use for everything. If you're gonna have a scissors, make sure it's only you only using it for food. So, oh, that baking smells so good. So I got my baking here. One here. Put one more here. Look at that chicken. That smells so good. So what I'm cooking, I'm going to go now and I need to clean my hands. I'm going to use my knife to get poke the chicken around. For the chicken to cook even. Okay. Then over here. Put my this is not on, so I'll put it here. Okay. Now I'm going to get some salt. Small amount of salt. Not much. And the chicken. And black pepper. Then move this over. Black pepper. Okay. And garlic. See, I have some garlic. You need 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. I have 2 here. So I'm gonna go. I just want to get the peel off and put this in my trash can. go here. Now let me check the bacon. Good, looking good. I think you can smell this cooking in the garden. The smell of baking. Okay. I'm gonna put this in. Now I'm going to use my garlic. What do you call this? Trees, and put small amount of garlic for the chicken. I put small amount here, small amount here. That's all you need. Garlic is very good for you though. It's very good for you. So let me go ahead and while the chicken, baking, cooking, it has sauce sit on. See? Okay, while cooking, now I'm going to go ahead and do the greens. I am going to do the technique called shifty now. You put your grain together, starting with the last leaf. Then look for the last leaf and put them together. Last leaf, put them together. And put some small one too together and roll. You roll and roll and roll and roll. Then using your knife to go ahead and do this. This way it give you a nice rings. This technique is called chiffonade. It's French. The way you cut. If you do that, you see what's going to happen. Your greens, you get this nice rings. You see? You do the same thing again. Go ahead and find the last leaf, put it at the bottom. Just pour some on top. As long as you can get them together, and you're able to roll them, you cut, 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 cut. If you don't want to do that, you can always use your scissors and chop. Just cut it small. If you don't want to do that, what you can do, you can use your scissors and chop your greens too. Okay, you can do that. But I like to do it this way. So remember the beets? I couldn't cut that. I couldn't cut that too. So let me roll it, roll. Okay, and I'm gonna take the part off. The thing with beets, it can bleed. So when you have beets, make sure you have a glove on, okay? And peel them. This is a young one. I'm not taking too much off. Okay. Yeah, put it on and take it out. Now, cut it in half and just sliver them. Somebody would let me that has stroke, I'd be careful with my hand. So I have to be very careful how I cut this, because the hand that don't see it too much, this one. So say I'm not putting my hand there, I have to be careful. So that look at the bacon now, and turn it over. See, it's almost done. Keep looking at that. Let me go ahead and find. So the baking looking good. I'm going to use my pan and take the baking same way I eat in the garden. I'm going to take the baking from here move all this, put it here. Because I don't want to do that. Let me go ahead and clean this area. Put it in my trash. Make sure you have a lot of paper towel when you're cooking. Clean, and get more paper towel to put your baking on here for it to put it here to cool and drain. Bring them, drain, and drain here and here too. Okay, now let's go ahead and use your paper towel. I'm supposed to have a and put this in here. Nice and clean your pan. Get clean the pan. Okay, not too much. Put some olive oil. Small amount, not too much. Okay, small. Now go ahead and do the chicken. Put the chicken here. I remove my garlic here. And this needs to be clean. This go in the house. This needs to be clean. Remove all this from here. That's it. Look at the chicken. Turn all over. It's a nice meal. Very good. So, with clean hands, I am going to peel my potato. It's nice and cool now. I can peel the potato. You see how easy it is to peel? Look, it comes out easy. So, I love this. Look at the small one. Go ahead. You can only do this making sure the pie is not hot, okay? You can put it in a plate and you can put your potato in a plate, and this is enough for one plate. So, then put that here. This is going well, so nice. That look at that bacon, looking so good, make me hungry. I just want to eat them. So let me move the nuts are done with this. This has to go in the house for me to wash. Let me clean my hands. I clean my hand a lot. Okay. Look at that chicken. It's almost done here. Just that again. Nice. Looking good. Now the greens will not take long to cook. It'll be quick. If it's leftover, I'm going to put that in the house and wait for this to cook, and I pour the grain in there. Just check that again. Make sure it's well done. Don't eat raw chicken, please. Good. Okay, you know. Just keep turning it over to make sure it is well done. So how you got like the flower we take from the garden. Isn't this nice? You know? Okay, let's look at that chicken now. The next few more minutes and it'll be done. Then put the baking on side. Okay. I think this one looking good. Yes. And let's turn over. Just see with me. You know, the best way to eat your potato, you can boil them and eat it with salt and butter. That'll be okay. But if you want to make a meal, you can do all this to go with your potato. You don't have to cook chicken or bacon or greens. You can simply boil them and eat them with salt and butter or plain. It's up to you. I think the chicken is done now. Then put it in the paper towel to drain excess oil. If you see not too much oil in here, so we're going to go ahead and put the beets first in. No, beets are good for you, very good for you. You can put them in your drink like a smoothie. I like them with salad. You can boil them and eat it plain or with meal. You can do so much with beef. So, okay, I'm going to turn it over. And they do not take long to cook at all. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my grain now. And I'm going to take the grains and put it in there. Get all your grains in. Right there. And also I'm going to put small amount of black pepper. Some salt, not too much because you had the baking. It's salty. Be careful on your intake of salt. And get your garlic and put it on top. Use your spoon. This do not take long to cook at all. So while that's cooking, I'll be able to ring my plate stone. Put it here. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and look the grains. See? I told you don't take long to cook. Quick. Don't overcook it at all. See? Then turn the soup off now. This is done. I can turn the soup off. It's off. Time to bring my fish. Then move this over. I am going to get my plate. The first thing I'm going to do with my chicken, get your chicken. Get your greens. Set well. And put this on the side. Now, you can either put your bacon on the side or put it on top. I guess the bacon, put it on top. Maybe one more here. Now, your knife and fork, and this is nice. This is okay for one person. Like I said, you can eat it just plain, or you want to make a meal or lunch, you can do this. So let's try it and see how it tastes. Yeah, go ahead and try. Cut your potato, some greens on top, some bacon if I can't get that. Let me see. This is good, so good. I tell you, I think everybody would be impressed with it. So, growing the food in the garden and cooking it in the garden is always a good thing. So I'm so glad you guys enjoy cooking with me today. If you like this video, please subscribe. And next time we're going to do more in the garden. So happy eating, everybody. See you next time in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.